Hello and welcome to Storytime with Amelia. Today we're learning useful airport dialogues. If you're traveling, these phrases will help you speak with confidence. Let's begin our journey together.
Good morning. Welcome to Sky Air. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Good morning. Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Are you checking in any luggage today?
Yes, I have one large suitcase and a small carry-on bag.
Great. Please place your suitcase on the scale.
Sure.
Perfect. Your luggage is 19 kilograms, well within the 23-kilogram limit. Did you pack your bags yourself?
Yes, I did.
And are you carrying any liquids over 100 milliliters, sharp objects, or restricted items?
No, none of those.
Excellent. Would you prefer a window or an aisle seat?
An aisle seat, please. I like to stretch my legs.
No problem. I've assigned you an aisle seat in row 18.
Thank you. By the way, is the flight on time?
Yes, your flight is on schedule and will depart at 11:45 a.m. Boarding starts at 10:30 at gate 25.
Got it. How long does it usually take to get through security?
It's not too busy right now, but I recommend heading there soon, just in case.
All right, I will.
Here is your boarding pass and luggage tag receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Screening.
Good morning. Should I remove my jacket and shoes?
Yes, please. Jackets, shoes, belts, and anything metal need to go in the bin. Also, place your electronics like laptops and tablets in a separate bin.
Got it. What about liquids?
Any liquids, gels, or creams must be in containers of 100 milliliters or less and placed in a clear plastic bag. Do you have any of those?
Yes, I have a small bottle of lotion and some toothpaste.
Perfect. Place those in this plastic bag and put it in the bin as well.
Thank you. Do I need to take off my watch?
If it's metal, yes. It might set off the alarm.
All right. Do I need to empty my pockets?
Yes, please. Empty your pockets completely, even small items like coins or keys.
Okay, I think that's everything.
Great. Now walk through the metal detector when it's clear.
It beeped. What should I do?
No problem. Step to the side and I'll use a handheld scanner to check for any metal.
Sure.
Looks like it was your bracelet. You can put it back on after the screening.
Thank you. Am I done now?
Almost. Grab your items from the conveyor belt, but please check the bins to make sure you didn't leave anything behind.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Excuse me, is the flight to Los Angeles still on time?
Let me check. I'm sorry, your flight has been delayed by 4 hours.
Oh no, what's the reason for the delay?
It's because of bad weather. The flight has to wait until the weather improves.
I see. Will the new departure time be posted soon?
Yes, we'll update the screen as soon as we have the exact time.
Got it. Is there anything I can do while I wait?
You'll receive a meal voucher. You can use it at any restaurant in the terminal.
That's great. Where can I get the voucher?
Just go to the customer service desk over there and show your boarding pass.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. We appreciate your patience.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please? Flight MU2320 is now ready for boarding. Would you please have your belongings and boarding passes ready and board the aircraft through gate number 45. We wish you a pleasant journey.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Our aircraft is now passing through an area of rough air. The turbulence will last for some time. Please return to your seats and ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. We advise you to remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. For your safety, the lavatories will be temporarily unavailable, and we will also suspend cabin services during this time. Thank you for your cooperation and understanding.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain of Air China Flight CA-1211 to New York. Thank you for choosing Air China for your journey to New York. Our flight is currently operating smoothly and has entered the cruise phase. We are flying at an altitude of approximately 35,000 feet with a cruising speed of 900 kilometers per hour. The estimated flight duration is 13 hours and 20 minutes. and we are scheduled to arrive at John F. Kennedy International Airport in New York at 14:30 local time. The weather along our route is favorable, and the flight will remain steady throughout. Should you have any needs or questions, please don't hesitate to contact our cabin crew. We are here to assist you. Thank you for flying with us, and we wish you a pleasant journey. We look forward.
Passengers arriving from Hong Kong on flight KA678. Your luggage is now being delivered at Baggage Claim Belt 1. Please go and collect it. Please check your luggage carefully to avoid taking the wrong one. If you have any questions, please
Beijing. I'm here to pick you up.
Hi, thank you so much for coming to pick me up. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. It's my pleasure. How was your flight?
It was quite long, but overall, it was smooth.
That's great to hear. Do you have any checked bags?
Yes, I have 2 suitcases. They should be on the carousel now.
All right. Let's go find them. Do you remember what they look like?
Yes, one is a blue hardshell suitcase and the other is a black one with a red stripe.
Got it. By the way, how was your trip over?
It was tiring.
I'm sure you'll have a great time. We've got a lot planned for you. Once we get your bags, we can head to the hotel and check in.
Sounds perfect. I could use a shower.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the city center from the airport?
Of course. You have a few options. You can take a taxi, which is quite convenient but can be pricey. Alternatively, you can take the subway or a bus, which are more economical.
I'm looking for something more budget-friendly. Could you guide me to the nearest subway station?
Absolutely. The subway station is just a short walk from here. Follow the signs that say subway access and you'll find it.
Great, thank you. Do I need to buy a ticket beforehand or can I purchase one at the station?
You can buy a ticket directly at the station. There are vending machines where you can purchase a single ride ticket or a Metro card for multiple rides.
I see. And how long does it take to get to the city center by subway?
It should take you about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on the traffic and the specific line you take.
That's not too bad. By the way, which subway lines go directly to the city center?
There are several lines that can take you directly to the city center. The A, C, E, N, Q, R, W, and 1 lines all have stops in Manhattan's downtown area.
That's helpful. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great trip to the city center. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate.
小红书
Great job, you've just learned some important airport dialogues. Thanks for watching Storytime with Amelia. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning stories. See you in the next video.